Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to 5 Minute DIY, where we show you how to do DIY and craft projects in 5 minutes or less. I'm Marty, and today I have a question. Do you have a lot of shoes? Are you looking for an inexpensive way to store and or display said shoes? Alright, well, don't worry because I got you. Today I'm going to show you how to make this. It's a stackable, cheap shoe storage. Alright, now I'm not going to do a whole bunch of talking. Come on, let's hop into this thing.
Okay, so here's what you need. A glue gun and glue sticks, scissors, a razor blade, something to write with, a ruler, Velcro and or Velcro fasteners, paper, but this is optional, 1 gallon storage bags, and last but not least, a box. Now, you can buy these in about a bundle of 25 or more. This cost me about $30 for 25. The cool thing about it is that you can paint on these or draw on these and just make them any color that you like, or you can do, sky's the limit with them. Alright, now let's hop into this thing. Okay, to justify what size box you need, you want to take your shoe and you want to measure from here to here. Mine was roughly about 11 inches. Then you want to measure from here to here. Mine was about 6 inches. Then you want to take your shoes, put them together, and measure from here to here while they're together. Mine was about 9 inches. So a 12 by 9 box suited my shoes the best. It may be different from you. Alright, now let's get started on this box. Okay, first you want to take your box, put it together, and glue all of the flaps down. You should have something that looks like this. Okay, next you want to take your box and your razor blade and you want to cut a door right out of the side of your box, but leave this side uncut. You should have something that looks like this. Okay, next you want to grab your paper, ruler, and pencil and you want to trace a 7 by 7 inch square out of your paper. Already pre-made one, you should have something that looks like this. Okay, now you want to grab your box and your paper template and you want to trace the square onto your door. This will act as your window. Once you finish, you want to cut it out. And when you finish, you should have something that looks like this. Okay, now don't throw this away, we're about to use it next. Your measurements may be a little bit different from mine depending on your shoe size, but this is just basically a rough estimate of the whole process. Okay, next you want to take your recently removed cardboard and you want to cut a 2 inch long, 1 inch wide strip from it. Okay, next you want to take your strip and you want to find the center of your box. Then you want to lay the strip down, give it a little fold so it fits flush right here with the top of your door. Okay, then you want to glue this part of the strip to the top of your box. Then you want to take your Velcro and you want to glue one here and here. Okay, once you finish, you should have something that looks like this. See, glue it at the top, Velcro on the inside, and this is the closure for your door. Okay, next you want to take your scrap cardboard and you want to cut two 2 inch by 2 inch squares from them. Then you want to flip your box over, and directly underneath where your door is, you want to take a square and you want to glue it on each top corner of it. You should have something that looks like this. Okay, next you want to grab your gallon storage bag and your window template and you can place your template inside your bag. Now you want to take your scissors and you want to cut a 1 inch size larger square out of your bag. Now you should use, one bag should make 2 windows for you. Alright, so when you finish, you should have something that looks like this. Okay, finally you want to grab your box and your window and you want to glue your window to the inside of your door. Now if you're painting it, you want to paint it first before you add your window to your door. Now while gluing it, make sure you keep it a little snug like this. That way it'll limit on the wrinkles that's on your door. Okay, now let's check out the finished product. Alright y'all, and there you have it. It's not super luxurious, but it does the trick. you know, your shoes on the floor, you can see them, and they nice and neat in this little cupboard thing. Alright, now if you like this video or found any info in this video useful, please hit that like and that share button. Head over to the Jazz and Marty Facebook page where we always posting updates on DIY and craft videos. And like that, this will be the end. Peace. Hopefully I got this under 5 minutes.